Hello, you are watching TorqueKingTV. I'm Matt, your product highlight video host. Today I'm showcasing the QU10998. This is a 32 spline front output shaft for NV271s and NV273 transfer cases. The output shaft is made right here in the USA and is a genuine New Venture MPT part. It fits both Dodge and Ford transfer cases for the NV271 manual shift and the NV273 electric shift models, plus Chevy and GMC NV273 transfer cases. 1999 to 2004 front output shafts are preferred for competition or really heavy-duty use due to the full-length spline and the early sprocket snap ring being significantly thicker than the one used with a later shaft. The difference between the two shafts is the spline length, the diameter of the machined area between the sprocket and front output bearing, and the thickness of the snap ring groove. For more tech notes and applications, as well as where to purchase for your own rig, visit our website at TorqueKing.com. Hey friends, we sure appreciate you watching these videos. Check us out on the web by clicking the links down below in the description and do the right thing. Give us a like, subscribe, and comment on what you saw, or even let us know if there's a product you want to see. Then hit the notification bell so you don't miss it when it comes up. We are working hard to give you good information here at Torque King. Thanks for watching, and until next time, good luck keeping your rig on the road.